Hey kids, it is Dad. It is a blustery day here in Glasgow, Kentucky. On my way to Nashville to return home. I've got one goal in mind, and that is getting home by tomorrow night at 6 o'clock. Clara's got a huge play, and she's Mrs. Claus, and I cannot miss it. That is not an option. Missing that just can't happen. Blizzard warning at home, 12 to 16 inches. Madison has got 17 inches already, so that's kind of crazy. Hey, beef, that's what's for dinner. Nice beef sign. So I'm going through the rolling countryside here. I'll probably be on the highway pretty soon. But boy, weather's big issues at home. All the schools were canceled yesterday most of them were canceled by 7 or 8 o'clock last night. Appleton and Menasha didn't cancel till close to 10. Just amazing. The power of Mother Nature and over the, Saturday and Sunday. It's in the moderate, could be upgraded. Oh, it's the first blizzard I've heard of in Wisconsin since I've been there. It's been bad, but I don't remember it being blizzard like this. But boy, it rained hard here. We got a lot of moisture on the ground. So I'm off to the Nashville airport to find out if my flights are going. I'm going to go from Nashville, Detroit, then Appleton. There's no way I'm going to get to Appleton tonight, but we're going to try to get to Detroit. So I will catch you cats at the Nashville airport to see where we're at. Okay, cats, it's Dad. I'm at the gas and sip here at the airport, just getting a little gas before I return the rental car. Just talked to Becky and Emma and baby Drew. Cold, blustery, I think 13 inches at home so far. But I'm on my way home, getting myself slowly but surely, we're getting here. I'll check in when I get past security at the airport. Bye, kids.